It's a situation we all dread. You head down to your basement, utility room, or perhaps the garage and are greeted with a wet sock. You know that water wasn't there before, but what caused it? The answer might surprise you as we discuss some common causes for an unexpected wet floor in today's episode. Hello everyone and welcome to the Homeowner's Handbook. I'm Chad Peterman. Today I'm going to look at 3 common culprits for a surprise puddle in your home. They are a plumbing leak, your water heater, and your furnace. First up, a plumbing leak. This is potentially one of the hardest to diagnose and it has the broadest range of causes. To start, locate your main water shutoff and turn off the water to your home. If it can be done quickly, clean up any water you find. If the water doesn't return, there is likely a leak somewhere in your plumbing, and we recommend having an expert out to locate the problem. Second is your water heater. Sometimes this can be tricky to detect, especially if your water heater is close to your furnace. An indication your water heater has failed may include reduced or no hot water, though not every time. The best way to confirm if the water heater is the problem is the location of the water. Unfortunately, a leaking water heater is a failed water heater, and you'll want to get it replaced ASAP. And finally is your furnace. This is often a surprise to people, but your furnace and indoor coil both have the potential to cause a leak. For your furnace, this could come from a clogged drainage tube, and for your AC, it could come from buildup or ice on your indoor coil. The easiest way to check if the problem is coming from your furnace is to check the location of the water or turn off your HVAC system and wait to see if the water returns. The good news is both of these problems should be an easy fix for a technician. What did you think of our tips? Let us know in the comments and be sure to come back for even more tips, tricks, and product spotlights from the Homeowner's Handbook.